Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Mitsubishi Pajero Exceeds, stock reference number 5353. The shape runs from the 8th month 2006 through to the 4th month 2013. It has a 6G75 3.8 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic four-wheel drive transmission. .8 litre 6G75 V6 petrol engine. Aftermarket set of 17-inch XD series alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left front door has two small dents. Left rear door has two small dents. Left rear 17-inch XD series alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Spare wheel. Tailgate has two small dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch. Aftermarket XD series 17-inch alloy mag with a good tyre. Left rear door has 6 small dents. Left front door has 5 small dents. Left guard has 2 small dents. And a left front 17-inch XD series 17-inch alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, aftermarket Kenwood touchscreen media player, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, rear vision mirror, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.